Hey guys, it's Anna and Merry Christmas. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas haul. Before we get started though, I just wanted to make a little disclaimer that I know Christmas is not at all about the gifts, and in this video, I'm not trying to brag about what I got or make anyone feel bad if you didn't get anything for Christmas. I just made a video like this last year and you guys seemed to really like it, so I thought it'd be fun to do another one this year. To start, I'm going to show you guys my stocking, and if I learned anything from last year's video, it's that this is not called a sock, it's called a stocking. And in here my parents just put like a bunch of little things, so I'm probably not going to go through everything, but the first thing is just these candies, a Starbucks gift card, and just things like dry shampoo and a bunch of other little things like that. Now moving on to the actual gifts, the main thing I wanted for Christmas this year was clothing, so I'm going to start with the shirts that I got. The first shirt is this black shirt with pink flowers, which is from my parents, but I actually picked it out myself because sometimes they would just rather that I pick out the clothing myself so they know that I like it. But this shirt is just from H&M and I think it's really cute. I also got this black long sleeve shirt, which is a part of an outfit that my grandmother got for me, along with a brown skirt and this scarf kind of sweater type of thing that I think is really cute. So this one is from not the grandmother that you guys saw in my stretching video, but my other grandmother. Another shirt that I picked out, but it's from my parents, is this flowy grayish brown shirt from Zara. I think this looks really cute with leggings since it's just kind of like oversized and flowy. And I also got this gray and white striped t-shirt, which is from the store Pretty Little Thing. And I also got this yellow turtleneck sweater, this blue and white sweater that I think is really pretty, especially the color that my sister got for me, a blue shirt from Hollister, this pink floral over the shoulder top from Abercrombie. Other than this pink top that I'm wearing right now, the final shirt is this white button-up top from Brandy Melville. The next few gifts are from the store Lululemon, and the first one is from my grandmother, which you would have saw in the Teaching My Grandmother How to Be Flexible video. And it's this reversible yoga mat, so it's a dark purple on one side and then the other side is like a lighter purple, and it's so much nicer than the yoga mat I have now, so you guys are definitely going to see this in a lot of upcoming stretching videos. And then I also got a few sports bras, these blue shorts, and then also these black baggy shorts. In this next bag, I just put a few things that I thought were kind of like wintry, I guess. And the first thing is this white house coat, which I love. It's so soft and comfortable. Another thing in here is this pink fluffy teddy bear sweater, which again is just so comfy. And then I got these two scarf sweater kind of things, which were from my grandmother, fuzzy socks and some gloves. Also from my parents are these gray Sorel boots, which I think are super cute. They're like Bloodstones, except they have a wedge on them. Now moving on to some makeup things, I got this mascara kit, which is basically a bunch of sample size mascaras, and then once you've tried them all out, you can take it in and get one full size for free. And along with the kit, I got this Stila liquid eyeliner, which is my absolute favorite eyeliner. It has a really thin tip, so it's super easy to put on. I don't wear eyeliner that often, but sometimes I'll wear it for like cheer competitions and stuff, and this one is definitely my favorite one. My friend Abby also got me this mascara primer and eyelash curler, which goes perfectly with that mascara gift. And the last makeup thing is this rose gold set of makeup brushes, which I think are so pretty, and this cute sparkly bag to go with them. My aunt and uncle also got me this gift card to H&M. Moving on to some skincare and self-care kind of things, I got this coconut oil hand cream. I'm not really 100% sure how to use this yet, but I got this heated neck warmer kind of thing from my parents. It'll be fun to try out. I also got the Sephora face mask, some body wash from Bath & Body Works. I know I've probably said cute like so many times in this video, but I also got some cute scrunchies from American Eagle. This next gift isn't necessarily for Christmas, but I did get it this month and it was gifted to me from Drunk Elephant, so obviously it's products from their skincare line. There's quite a few products in here, so I'm not going to go through every one even though I've been loving them all, but a few of my favorites are the vitamin C serum, and I've also been really loving their night serum and also the Proteini polypeptide moisturizer. Another gift, which is from my grandmother actually, is this watercolored notebook, which I think is so pretty, and along with that she gave me some flowered pens. Like I said, the main thing that I wanted this year was clothing, so now I'm going to show some of the pants that I got. First I'm going to start with some jeans that I am absolutely in love with. So I have tons of skinny jeans, but I wanted a pair of like the baggier boyfriend style kind of jeans. So I got these ones that like tie at the waist. And I also got this pair that are more like washed out, and they also have a few rips on them. I also got this brown skirt, which was a part of the outfit from my grandmother, these white shorts from Brandy Melville, and a pair of pajama pants. Now moving on to the final and my favorite gift, which is AirPods from my parents. I am so excited to use these because I've been using the headphones with the cord for so long now, and the cord always gets like all tangled, and I just think these are so cool and I can't wait to try them out. And that's it for what I got for Christmas, so I hope you all had an amazing holiday, and I am so thankful for every one of these gifts, and thank you so much to everyone who got these for me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can click here to watch my most recent video. To subscribe to my channel, just click here, and don't forget to press on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Bye guys!